Hey y'all, it's Leslie. I hope you're having a great day. I am, because I'm in the craft room, and any day in the craft room is a great day. So, what I'm going to show you is the Valentine's gift I made for my youngest daughter. And it is truly a junk journal because it was using some scrap paper, an accidental printing, and I turned it into a junk journal. The way I made this journal is the same way I made the menu planner, and you will see that linked in the iCard up there. It should show, yep, there it went, and then it will also be in the description box below. And if you're on you'll have to click show more below if you're on the computer, and if you're on the mobile phone, then you'll have to click the arrow, and it'll bring it down, and you can see all of that description. So what I've done is I've done it exactly like I did that menu planner, but I used scrap paper. So what happened is I was going to print one paper on copy paper using JenofEve Designs template. This is the mini everlasting template, and I did it in these are notes. I did the music background for this mini everlasting, and I was going to print one paper like I said. Well, something happened. Well, I goofed is what happened, and the entire thing printed. So 28 pieces of paper came out, and I was like, you know, it's good paper. It's beautiful because it's got this music on it, and my youngest really loves that. And I got to thinking, let's make a junk journal. So I took those copy papers, and I haven't done anything to them other than just use them straight as they are. This is one of the bindings from page 28, and I used the large one, and I wrapped it around the spine with a thicker piece of cardboard, not cardboard, cardstock. I notice here one of my strings was kind of not behaving. I'm sorry, I was completely off camera there. Okay, so I bound it with the page 28, the large spine, and I did it on a piece of cardstock to give it extra. Then these two are made exactly like the menu planner, which is linked there. Okay, so I had some paper clips, and this is one of them. This is a staff paper clip. I don't even know where they came from. I think they came from a gift somebody gave me. This is just some of that baker's twine that I used to make my actual binding for this junk journal. Okay, what I've done is I did exactly like I did for the menu planner. I have 3 signatures in here, and those 3 signatures are bound in the Traveler's Notebook style. In the first signature, I printed off some music paper, but I did it 4 to a page. And what that has done is it's allowed spaces for her to write notes. I thought this would be a great little to-do list place for her. These are using page 28, the other, the medium spine matte on 28, and this is the matte for the small spine. Then I have made some heart-shaped paper clips. So let me get it so you can see it. There you go. And if you want to know how to make those, I'll show you how to make those in a video. Just leave me a comment below, and I'll be glad to, you know, do that. So just leave a comment. Okay, then the next signature, I've done the same music paper, but I printed it at full scale and then just cut it in 4. Excuse me, cut it in half and then folded it. So this is like the other side of it, and this would be that side. And then this is one of the pieces from the printable as well, and another heart paper clip. This one's a little crooked. And then we get to the last signature. The last signature is where I used all those pages from the actual misprint. Okay, so I'm going to take you, I've got things with sticky notes so I can tell you what pages, just in case you ever wanted to do this yourself. Because sometimes when we're printing, we print wrong, just like I did, and you might want to do something with it. So, this first page is made with page 24 and page 9. I folded page 9 a little bit. That's this white pocket here. It's just page 9 folded up. And this pocket is from page 24. Okay. Then these inserts are inserts that she can use throughout this signature. There's a lot of pockets and flaps and tucks. So what she can do, this one is page 28. This one is page 25. This one is page 25. This is page 26. Page 13. Page 20. Page 12. And both of these are from page 11. And that creates those little inserts. It's just, they're already like that. I just cut them and poke them in the pocket that I've created here. Okay, then on this page we have page 6, which creates this pocket. We have page 11 here, and we have page 28 here. Then I just have a regular paper clip. She can write and journal on these pages. She can actually put photos. She went to a concert for her favorite band, and I feel like she'll probably put a few pictures and memorabilia in here, and that's a great place for her to put it. This is this part right here is from page 14. This is from page 22. This is from this is page 9 right here. This is page 9. And I folded it a couple of times to create a pocket and a flip. Okay? And the insert here is from page 8 and page 21 that I did trim just a little bit on the edges. Okay? And this just becomes an insert in the pocket here. This is page 6, folded. This one is page 11, and this is page 13, but I did have to trim it just a little bit on the edges. This is page 23 right here, and then on the back this is part of page 22, or this is from page 22. Here is page 6, and I did fold it up a little bit to make a pocket because page 6 would be too tall for the front of this signature. And when you watch the video that's linked up there in the iCard or in the description, you will see how the menu planner is made by folding it down just a little bit so that it makes it a little short. So I had to be careful that all these things were shortened, but it was a great opportunity to make a pocket or a tuck or flap. Okay, this one is page 26 here, and this is page 25. Here we have page 16. This is part of page 22. This one is page 7, which I folded to create a pocket. This attaches to here to page 6, which again I have folded to create a pocket. This is the rest of page 22, which I did fold. sticky notes everywhere. Sorry. This is page 16, which I have folded. And, well, actually, I take it back. I did not fold it. This is page 16, which it goes with the binding. So it's all of the different spine pieces, and they print together, and then you can cut them. Well, I just printed it and left it whole. So it's there. And then this is page 26. This piece right here is page 25, and the rest of 25 is on the other side. This is part of page 19, or there. This is part of page 22, and here on the back is part of page 23. This is page 11, which I folded to create a flap. This is page 9 here. Excuse me, page 8 is this. This is part of page 9. But page 8 has I just folded it over. This is page 2, and the pocket is page 13. This one is page 22, is this part, and this is part of page 14. This is, I'll take that back. This is part of 22. Sorry about that. And this is part of 14. And then there's our cover again here. So I have done that. I used page 5. And I have folded it when I traced it onto black cardstock. I folded it so that it would create some sides there, and then I glued it across the bottom so that the pocket could be a pretty big pocket. If you don't have a 1/4 inch folded on the edges, then your pocket is flat and you can't get as many papers in it. So I did fold those edges, which meant that I had to trim the mat for it to make it fit better. So that's what I've done. Okay, so there's that little music planner is what this one is. It's a little planner, to-do list, notebook, memory book, whatever you want to do. But I wanted to show you this is another option other than menu planner, but it's doing the same thing. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe here if you haven't already. Check out these videos. And of course, there's more information below, including a link to JenofEve Designs Etsy shop where you can purchase these. I get not one bit of money. There's no affiliate link for that. It's just that I believe in them that much. So thank you all for stopping by. I'll see you next time. Bye.